Hello children, today we will do another poem from ICC class 10, The Cold Within. In fact, this poem is a great poem which shows the present world's hatred and apathy that exists between the humans against each other. The poet has very effectively narrated a story of the 6 people. Each of them has a log of wood, but still they die because out of their hatred they did not give the log of wood to burn a fire, and they die of cold. Finally, the poet says they didn't die out of the cold which was outside, rather they died from the cold within. The cold within over here indicates the negative attributes, the selfishness of the humans that they have against each other, and out of that hatred they have sacrificed their own life just to take a revenge that can be of different due to of different causes, but they did not give their log of wood which could have been a potential resource to save their own lives. So let's begin our poem. The first paragraph is 6 humans trapped by happenstance in bleak and bitter cold. Each one possessed a stick of wood, or so the story told. So 6 humans. Over here the word human has been used because in the first paragraph the poet want to indicate that 6 humans. Humans means with the common people who have feelings, who have self-respect, who have feelings for each other, but they were trapped by happenstance, means by coincidence or by circumstances. In bleak and bitter cold, over here very beautifully alliteration is used. Each one possessed a stick of wood, that is a log of wood, and also the story told. So over here the poet indicates by this word that this is a story told, as the story goes, which was told by somebody else. It may be a parable, it may be a folk tale also. Their dying fire in need of logs, but the first one held her back. 40 faces round the fire, she noticed one was black. So there were 6 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people, and there was a fire burning in among them, and each one has a log of wood. Each one has a log of wood. Each one has a log of wood. So the first one, say suppose this is the first one, when she, as over here hers mentioned, that means she was a lady, and as she looked all around, she did not give her log of wood. Why? Because among these 5 she noticed that there was a black person. So this paragraph shows us the racial discrimination that exists between the people or among the people, and hence this paragraph shows the racial discrimination that exists among the human. So their dying fire, the fire was almost dying. She has a wood, but she was not ready to give just because there was one person among this 5 who was black. But the first one holds her back. For of the faces round the fire, she noticed one was black. So this indicates the racial discrimination. The next man looking across the way. So the next person, say suppose this is the second person, even he had a log of wood. When he looked across, he saw one not of his church. So this word church over here is very beautifully used, and the word church is used as, over here again a figure of speech is used, and it is a patronymy, generally a word when used to mean something closely related to. Over here the word church is used for the religion. So this person, when thought that there was no one who belonged, or someone particularly does not belong to his religion, and could not bring himself to give the fire his stick of pitch. Pitch is a type of wood. Okay. So when he saw there was one particular person among this other 5 who did not belong to his religion, he was not ready to give his log of wood. So this paragraph shows us the religious boycott. Let us come to the third paragraph. The third one, sat in tattered clothes. Tattered means in rags. He was a very poor person. he gave his coat a hitch in order to give himself warmth. He further, gave his coat a hitch. Why should his log be put to use to warm the idle rich? So this one, there is a great status difference. He saw some person, say suppose this is the third person, even he had a log of wood, but since there was a rich person among this other five, he did not want to give life to an idle or lazy rich person. For this poor person, he does not want to give his log of wood in order to save any rich person. So this is a person who is not only poor by status, also poor by heart, and hence he is not ready to give his log of wood. So this shows us the status difference. Next, let us come to the fourth stanza as well as the fourth person. Now he is a rich person and even he has a log of wood. But he is not ready to give his log of wood either. The rich man just sat back and thought of the wealth he had in store and how to keep what he had earned from the lazy, shiftless poor. So this is, the rich man. This is again a racial differences as well as the elite egoist. Now a rich person, he thinks that how could he give his wealth which he has stored. He was just thinking about the amount of wealth he has stored, and why should he give his simple log of wood in order to save those poor people. Since one of them was poor, how could he give his log of wood in order to save this lazy poor? See the contrast in this two paragraph. The poor person is thinking the rich person as lazy and selfish. On the other hand, this rich person is thinking the same thing for the poor person. Next stanza comes, the black man's face bespoke revenge as the fire passed from his side. For all he saw in his stick of wood was a chance to spite the white. Now over here, now the stick came to the fifth person. He was a black person. Even he had a log of wood. But as we know, the black once had been dominated, exploited, and they had gone through a hell for a long period of time. So the black person thought that now it is time to take revenge on the all other white people, and hence why should he give his log of wood. So this is a vengeful revenge, and this paragraph shows us the vengeful revenge of the black. So he is ready to sacrifice his own life but not to give his log of wood. Next comes the last man of this forlorn group. So the last man and the sixth person, even he has a log of wood, but he did not accept his gain, giving only to those who gave us how he played the game. So this sixth person is, the common person. Generally, we are very selfish by nature. The common people are very selfish by nature. Corruption prevails among us. So this paragraph indicates the corruption among the common people. So this corruption among the common people, and we are so selfish that we cannot do anything without a proper gain. So when he feels that when no one is giving the log, what is his purpose? When his purpose is not solved, why should he give his log of wood? Their logs held tight in death's still hand was proof of human sin. They did not die from the cold without, they died from the cold within. So in the last paragraph, poet very effectively says that finally what happened, all six dies and their logs of wood is held tight in their hands, and finally they die. They did not die from the cold without. It was really very cold outside, and if the fire would go out, obviously they would die. But they did not die from this cold which was persisting in the environment. Rather, they died because of the cold that was existing within their hearts. The selfishness, the negative attributes among the humans, the hatred that exists within us against each other, and as such, they all died just not to save others, as they have decided that we will not save others, and hence they all died. Finally, we see that there are a lot of figure of speech, and a personification over here is used, death still hand. Over here death is personified, where death still hand is used. Poet has very effectively used death as human still hand. So cold within is a very appropriate title also, where the cold word is used in a two-way. The cold season that was, or the cold weather that was persisting outside in the environment, but at the same time the coldness that was persisting among the six people in their hearts, that is the hatred, the selfishness, and the apathy or the negative attributes that exist among the human beings, which could lead their life to destruction. Thank you.